How to create a double exposure video effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added this green screen video to my timeline. To do this effect, we need a clip of a person with a white background. Also, I downloaded an ink clip and the background of this clip also must be white. You can download such clips from Pexels or Pixabay websites for free. In the Effects panel, search for key and drag the Ultra key to the green screen clip. If your clip background is white, ignore these first steps. Under Ultra key, select the eyedropper and click on green color you want to remove. Expand matte generation and play around with values until all the greens are removed. Now move the clip to the second track. Create a new color matte with a white color. Bring it into the first track and adjust its duration. Select both of them, right-click and select Nest. Now we have a clip with a white background. Now bring the ink clip into the second track above your clip. Select the ink clip and set its opacity to screen. And now we have a double exposure effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.